What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a little chilly this morning, but we got some exciting stuff happening. My girlfriend's been trying to get a car for the longest time, and she had a couple different cars in mind, a Jeep Wrangler and a Subaru Crosstrek. Obviously, by the thumbnail of this video, you guys know which one it is already. She's gonna be picking up a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. We've been trying to get this car for a couple of weeks now, and finally we found a dealership that was willing to work with us on the price. I really wanted her to get a WRX, but I think the Crosstrek suits her better for now. Who knows, maybe down the road she'll be able to pick one up. Cool little fun fact, the color that she chose on her Crosstrek was because she saw that color on a WRX. It's like that cool gray, it's like a grayish, bluish color. But anyways guys, we should get going. We have an hour-and-a-half drive down to Shingle Springs. My girlfriend is a little bit shy on camera, but since she's picking up a brand new car today, I don't think she'll mind the camera at all. So we're gonna be getting as much footage as possible today. Also guys, if you didn't hear it in the background, we are taking the Subi. It's only right that we take the Subi because we're picking up another Subi, but hopefully we don't rub too much. I do rub a lot in town, so I do expect us to be rubbing quite a bit. Let's do this. All right guys, we just picked her up. We also picked up Anthony. If you guys don't remember, this is her little brother. I gotta fill up on some gas, so we should probably get going now. Are pulling up to the dealership. I'm excited to see this car. I don't think I've seen a 2021 Crosstrek ever yet. Where should we park? I just pulled up to Shingle Springs Subaru. All these boys, you guys all watch the videos? Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. That was pretty cool. As soon as we pull up to the dealership, just a crowd of guys come out and they all watch the video. So shout out to you guys. We're gonna walk over and try and find Tim. He's the guy that sold us the Crosstrek. Ooh, look at that. Got an STI as soon as we walk in. Dude, look at these, bro. The old Subaru logo. Damn, this is sick. Look at that. You guys imagine if we had a brat on the channel? That'd be so sick. Alright, here we go. I think this is it.
Oh, I have a delivery person.
That's crazy. Brand new 2021 Crosstrek. This is the one. Kind of crazy that she's getting like a brand new car. The only people that I know that have ever gotten a brand new car was like Chino and Camacho. But anyone like direct family or anyone close to me like that has never gotten a brand new car. So this is pretty exciting. Shout out to Tim at Shingle Springs Subaru for taking care of us. This thing looks sweet. You excited?
Yes.
I'm excited.
The car is nice.
What's your favorite thing about the car?
The color and the wheels.
She likes the wheels, guys.
Pretty nice.
So they're finishing up inside, teaching her how to use the car and all that stuff. But out here, I'm gonna guess these cars are probably the Subaru guys that work here. Got a WRX over here, another WRX, and another one. Another WRX over here with a carbon fiber hood. And I think on the other side where I parked my car, I think I saw a blob eye maybe. So we'll go check that out in a bit. But this one's sick. I didn't even see this one way down here, but this is another worker's car. Ooh, looks like he has the same wheels as Ongol's, and he's also bagged. Check this out. This one's clean. Wow, this is actually super clean. Check out these wheels, guys. And then he has carbon right there. Carbon mirrors, carbon door handles. Later, boys. All right, guys, it's official. This Subaru Crosstrek is hers. Wow, new car. Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is sick. Yeah, let's take a picture actually. Get in that picture. What do you think, Anthony?
Crazy.
Sick or what?
Sick.
Dude, I like it. Look at this. Once again, thank you to everyone at Shingle Springs Subaru for hooking us up. Shout out to Tim and Paula for also taking care of us. Can't believe she has a brand new car. Alright guys, we are back home in the new car. This car feels so nice. It's so smooth compared to mine, obviously, because it's brand new. It's also kind of weird to be sitting in the passenger seat because I'm always driving her around, and now she's driving me around. It's also kind of funny that she has a car now because she actually hasn't been driving for very long. Like, she knows how to drive, but she drives every like once or twice, maybe a month. Every time I force her to drive, she doesn't want to drive, but now she's forced to drive because she has her own car. But anyways, this car kind of feels like a rental car right now because it's all brand new. So we came to O'Reilly's. We're gonna get some air fresheners and then kind of just look around, see what we can find to make this car her own car. We got some Armor All cleanup wipes, some glass cleaner wipes, and 2 little air fresheners. With these guys, with these Yankee Candle air fresheners, Wombo actually taught us to mix 2 different scents and it actually smells really good. All right, there we go. Now it's gonna smell good in here. All right guys, check out these fall vibes back here. We're gonna get some pictures of the car and her together because this is like her favorite thing ever. And I guess we also didn't show you guys the car really, so here it is. It's a 2021 Crosstrek in that color that I told you guys, that cool gray. It's like a gray, almost looks blue. The interior is pretty simple. Got your back seats back here, a lot of room, cup holders, all that stuff. Trunk space. Oh, they also hooked us up with some WeatherTech floor mats. So these are the ones that were in the car, and now the car has the WeatherTech. So that was pretty cool of them. Let's close that. And then the front here, also pretty simple. Nothing crazy. It's really nice though. Before we end today's video, we're gonna get some shots of the car and some shots of the car with her. She says she finally understands me when I want to go out and take pictures of my car, so that's a plus. I think because I've been vlogging this entire day and vlogging all of this, it hasn't really set in that she actually has a car. It's kind of crazy to me that she actually has this now. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't think there's gonna be any crazy mods on the Crosstrek or anything like that, but I'm sure she'll want to do a couple of things here and there. I think the first mod for sure is gonna have to be getting rid of these yellow ugly bulbs. That's gonna be it for today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. We'll catch you guys next time.